What's up, YouTube? Travis Thompson, Appalachian RC. Guys, we got the Carbon Cub S2, not the S Plus, but the S2. This one doesn't have the GPS and all that bull crap on it, guys, because that just makes it hard, I think. So this is the best one. And yeah, guys, this thing's been wrecked a few times, you can tell, but guess what? She's still rolling just fine, rolling just fine. So we got Big John Cayley here with us, gonna be piloting. So
give it some up, everybody. Look how down that is in the back.
yeah, that's like way too.
Huh?
That's way too much. I don't shouldn't be. Damn, dude, that's all you got. That's why it snows. That's why it's nosing down. It wasn't your battery. It was that.
Take it from the way I had it set with the.
Maybe. Oh. Alrighty, we ready when you are, Big John. Oh yeah. It flies pretty good though, with the wings pulled down a little bit like that. Flies real good.
Yeah, this thing ain't got no battery. Look at my phone.
Well, it'll kick in. They do that. Mine, yeah, see, there it is. It just took it a minute for some reason. Guys, I hope we're getting this footage. If we ain't, I apologize because we're still trying to get her set, but I think we're good shape. Woo, doggy.
It does fly pretty good.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
For anybody out there wondering, this is a trainer plane, guys. Carbon Cub S Plus. It is a great, great trainer plane. That's what they built it for. And as you can see, Big John Cayley here doing just fine. This was his first plane that he ever bought right here, guys. Oh yeah. Then that's the best way these do. This one right here, like acrobatics, or aerobatics, I say slow. That's when it does it the best. They don't like doing fast, you know. It's.
I'm in expert mode right now. You believe that shit?
Yeah, yeah. Big John's made it up to expert mode. See there, guys. And that's perfect roll rate for learning. I mean, you know what I mean?
High rates, believe it or not.
Huh?
It's in high rates.
Right, that's what I'm saying. No, and now it's perfect. You know, that's one reason they do that. You know, where it ain't real crazy.
Dang. I can't believe I've done this whole time.
Yeah, yeah. And also remember, if you get in trouble, you got the panic button. A lot of people forget about that. You know. Have you used it, the panic button any?
No.
You know, you just hit it and it'll just straightens itself out for about 2 seconds, then it gives you control back. Without having to flip a switch. You know what I mean? It's a little bit easier, you know.
Right.
So I mean, you can. It is easier than trying to flip that switch because you know you can leave your hand on the button, you know, and.
Dude, this thing is so much more. I don't know. You know how like we were talking about banging sticks on that fly sky?
Yeah.
Well, this right here is like the expo set at a lower rate because I can move this at like a quarter or a third, and that's about where it needs to be.
Yeah.
On that fly sky, you hit it about a third of the way, and it violently rolls it over. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good sight.
Yeah.
Woo! Made my butthole pucker up. Dang, dude, this thing still got some life with it.
Yeah. When you fly them easy, you can fly them forever. You can only get 12, 15 minutes out of it, you know, flying easy.
This is that three sail. It's that last three sail that I bought.
Yeah.
Can't remember what it said at. little touchy though, but
Mhm.
it'll work out like I planned. You want flat? Plenty of time left.
Oh yeah, I'll try it again.
It flies pretty level. It's in safe.
Alright guys, that big Travis piloting. Let's see here.
It flies so slow, don't it?
Yeah.
It flies good upside down.
Oh yeah. I'm back. Guys, that's upside down and I'm giving it about 10% up elevator, or down elevator, guys. That's all it's Go do a stall turn, guys. And when I do that, all I do is just
Go up and then kill it.
I just, like right there, I full throttle it, let it get some speed, pull up till it's cut it and put your elevator over. We'll try the panic button out. See what is. What's the panic button? I'll get it upside down. What is? Panic?
Oh, it takes control of it.
Yeah, for 2 or 3 seconds. See, look, I'm sideways, watch.
Yeah.
Panic. It's a lot easier. It's all easier than flipping that switch, because look, you can keep your hand on that button right there at all times. If you get in trouble, say like right there, what? Panic. I mean, your fingers is always on it. You know, it's a lot easier.
And so it's pretty much like safe.
It's just, that's what it is. It's just a panic. That's why they call it panic recovery mode.
Oh.
You know, it's see there, upside down, watch, panic.
Ooh. And it'll take it straight pretty much wherever you're going.
Yeah, here you go. We're gonna give her back the big jar now. It's in safe. So, but yeah, remember about that panic button, dude. It's later. You'll be able to save yourself quicker using it than you will flipping the switch. You know what I mean? Because it's just so much easier to do.
There it was.
Yeah. And then after about a second or two, you get control back.
There it was again. Dang, very nice.
It's a little easier than flipping it, ain't it?
It is.
You can flip it. You can push that button fast. You can reach up there and flip the switch. You know it.
That was all me, believe it or not.
Yeah.
It seems like I can actually fly with it, especially when we're low. I know it's crazy way down.
Oh yeah,
it's
very.
painted gun.
Alright. That's more of like a power over, sort of, I guess you could say.
Right. How long have you been flying this thing? I'm still 1.3 S battery.
Yeah, you fly them around easy. You can,
I still got one of mine.
like them jets, I can put around about half throttle and get for like three minutes more probably. You know, but it's hard to put around when you're in the jet though.
You remember how banged up, how we wrecked this at one time and the propeller folded up on it?
Yeah.
That's that propeller. And it don't sound bad, does it?
No.
I just hit it a week with some sandpaper on each side.
Yeah, well, the wind's going that way, sort of, so yeah, it's the best way. We got a kind of a crosswind now. Oh yeah, it's all right. And jumped the curb. Everybody didn't hurt a thing. Well, yeah, it didn't hurt a thing. That's just a wheel skirt, wasn't it?